Dustbins come in various colors to help us sort different types of waste effectively. Green dustbin used for organic waste, including kitchen scraps and garden waste. Color green, blue dustbin used for dry recyclable waste such as paper, plastic, glass, and metals. Color blue, black dustbin used for general waste that cannot be recycled or composted, like non-recyclable plastics and household trash. Color black, yellow dustbin used for medical waste, including used bandages, syringes, and other potentially infectious materials. Color yellow, red dustbin used for hazardous waste such as chemicals, batteries, and other dangerous materials. Color red, brown dustbin used specifically for garden waste like leaves, branches, and other yard debris. Color brown, properly sorting waste into these colored bins helps in recycling, safe disposal, and reducing environmental impact. It ensures that recyclables are processed correctly, organic waste is composted, and hazardous materials are handled safely. This practice promotes a cleaner and healthier environment.